Hello students, I hope you are fine at your home and you are doing your work properly. Today I am starting the new topic, that is operations on rational numbers. In this topic we will learn how to add the rational numbers, subtract the rational numbers, multiply the rational numbers and divide the rational numbers. Let us start with the first topic, that is addition of rational numbers. Take an example, addition of rational numbers. Addition of rational numbers. Take an example, 4 upon 5 plus minus 3 upon 7. In this case, when the denominators are different, first we have the LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. First we take the LCM of both the fractions 5 and 7, that will be 35. Now divide the denominator with the denominator, it will give the result, that is 5 7s are 35, 7. That 7 will be multiplied with the numerator, that will give 7 4s are 28. Now here is the sign plus, but in this rational number the sign is given minus. In that case, plus and minus will give minus. You will have the sign minus. Now again divide the denominator with the denominator, that will give 7 5s are 35, 5, and that 5 will multiply with 3, that is 5 3s are 15. Now subtract it, 8 minus 5, that is 3, 2 minus 1, that is 1, 13 upon 35, this is the result. If the denominators of both the rational numbers are same, in that case take an example, 3 upon 5 plus 6 upon 5. In that case, if the denominators are same, then add the numerators as it is, that is 5, 6 and plus 3, 9 upon 5. If it is in mixed number, then change into mixed number, 5 1s are 5, 4 upon 5. That will be the mixed fraction. Now take another case, that is subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Subtraction of rational numbers. Take an example, 3 upon 7 minus 4 upon 5. In this case, first we take LCM of 7 and 5, that is 35. Divide the denominator with the denominator, 35 divided by 7, that will be 5, and 5 will be multiplied by 3, that will be 5 3s are 15. Now put the sign, negative sign. Now divide the denominator with denominator, that is 35 divided by 5, that will give 7, and 7 will be multiplied with 4, that will be 28. Now subtract it, that is 8, it's a large digit, subtract from large to small, subtract 8, subtract 5 from it, 8 minus 5, that will be 3, 2 minus 1 1, put the sign of larger digit, that is minus upon 35. This is the subtraction of rational numbers. Take another example. 4 upon 3 minus 3 upon 5. If these types of rational numbers are given, in that case, first take the LCM of both the numbers, 3 and 5. The LCM will be 15. Divide the denominator with denominator. 15 divided by 3 will give 5. And that 5 will be multiplied with 4. That will be 20. Now the sign is minus and minus. That will be plus. Put the sign plus. Now divide the denominator with denominator. That will give 15 divided by 5 will give 3. And that 3 will multiply with 3. That will give 9. Add the both the numbers. That will be 29 upon 15. If this is in improper fraction, change into mixed number. 15 1 is 15 and 14 upon 15. This will be the answer. Now, next one is multiplication of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. How will you multiply the rational numbers? Multiplication. Multiplication of rational numbers. That means, suppose you have a fraction or rational number 4 upon 7. Multiply the fraction means rational number 5 upon 7. In this case, multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Like plus 4 multiplied by minus 5. That will be plus minus minus, and 4 5s are 20 upon 7 multiplied by 7, that will be 49. As in fraction we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, similarly in rational numbers multiply the numerator with numerator with proper sign and denominator with denominator with proper sign. Take another example. If the number is in mixed form, then suppose minus 2 whole 4 upon 5 multiplied by 3 whole 2 upon 7 is given. In that case, first change the number into improper. That is 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 and 4 14. That will be minus 14 upon 5. We will have the negative sign. 5 2s are 10 and 4 14. Since sign is negative, that's why we will write 5 2s are 10 and 4 14. That will be minus 14 upon 5 multiplied by 7 3s are 21 and plus 2. That will be 23 upon 7. Now 7 3s are 21 and 2, that will be 23 upon 7. If there is a number which will be cancelled, then cancel it. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. Now multiply the numerator with numerator with sign. That is minus 2 multiplied by 23. That will be minus 46 upon denominator with denominator. That is 5 multiplied by 5 1s are 5. Change into mixed number. That is minus 5 9s are 45. 1 remainder and upon 5. That is minus 9 whole 1 upon 5 will be the result. And the last topic is, that is division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. Division of rational numbers. Take an example. 14 upon 15 divided by minus 7 upon 6. Take an example of 14 upon 15 a rational number and minus 7 upon 6 is also a rational number. In case of division, first fraction, that is 14 upon 15, will copy same and change the sign of division as multiplication, and minus 7 upon 6, the next fraction, will write in its reciprocal form like 6 upon minus 7. Change the number into its reciprocal form. Change the sign into multiplication. Division sign will change into multiplication, and the number minus 7 upon 6 will change into its reciprocal form. And now this is the as multiplication. If the number is cancelled by any number, cancel it, like 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 3 2 is 6 and 3 5 is 15. Now multiply the number with the sign. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4, and here 5 multiplied by minus 1, that will be minus 5. Since the rational numbers have no negative sign in denominators, therefore it will write minus 4 upon 5. This is the answer. Take another example. If the number is given in mixed form, like 2 whole 5 upon 7 divided by 3 whole 4 upon 5. In this case, change the number into improper fraction. 7 2s are 14 and 5, that is 19 upon 7 divided by 5 3s are 14 and 4, 18 upon 5. Sorry, 5 3s are 15, 4 19 upon 5. Now next one is 19 upon 7 multiplied by 5 upon 19. Change the sign of division into multiplication and change the fraction 19 upon 5 into its reciprocal form, that will be 5 upon 19. 19 will be cancelled and the result will be 5 upon 7, because in numerator there is only 5 and its denominator there is only 7. This is the way by which you can operate the rational numbers. In next exercise, you will do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do it properly. If any problem is arising, write in comment section. If you are facing problem, write detailed question number this, part number this. Do the work properly with honesty and submit it on due date, means next day, to classroom. I am expecting that you will do good. I will explain the next topic in next session. Till then, thank you.